Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about how to turn off auto enhance on your iPhone photos. So auto enhance on your iPhone photos is like when you go to the camera over here, when you're trying to capture something, if you go back and if you check the photo, you can see that it's not that raw image, but even though some kind of auto enhancement is happening on your device, the photo that you captured. So if you wanted to completely turn this off, how we can do this? By default, Apple is not providing a method on how we can turn it off, but we have a shortcut method where you can try it out. So what you need to do is you have to go to the photos. Then what you need to do is you have to tap on the icon here, circle icon, and just move to the left side so that it will be taken. Right, I'll demonstrate you like this. You have to press and do like this. Now as you can see, when you press, just go over here and you have to do like this. So the photos will be taken. And it will be a single photo. But for example, if you do like this and move to this side, if you take multiple photos, also I'll be showing you that. If you do like this and take a little bit of time, the multiple photos will be captured. So what you need to do is when you take a single photo, you don't have to do any kind of changes. It will be captured just like a raw image. But when you take multiple photos, what you need to do is you have to go over here. And we go over here, you'll be able to see that you'll be having a burst option because I have captured 9 images. Now I need to tap on the burst over here at the top, and from here you have to select the right image that you wanted to. For example, I'm just going to select this one. I have to tap on this icon over here. Then once I tap on this, I have to tap on the tick icon over here at the top, and you have to go for keep only one favorite. And right now the one image will be selected over there, and this is how we can turn off the auto enhance on your iPhone. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. That's it. Bye.